Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Josh in Tennessee on this RCI-2995DXCF. Josh got it all ready to go for you. Our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, LED lights. She's good to go, man. Let's start with the RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. We set it at 4 watts just in case you decide to run an amplifier. You have full adjustability. 100-watt slug. 50 watts. I'm going to show you average power swing. At 95 watts. 250 watt slug, peak power. 200 watts on the money. Alright, Josh, it's ready to come to you. Appreciate you and hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.